Hello kids, today we will learn how to draw Pikachu. Let's get started. First I'm going to draw Pikachu's ears. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me kids. Follow the instructions. Great! Now I'm going to draw Pikachu's face. Perfect! Draw with me kids. Now it's time to draw Pikachu's eyes. Great! Now I'm going to draw Pikachu's smiley face. Wow! Now it's time to draw one cute little nose. Perfect! Now I'm going to add some detailings. Great! Our picture is ready. Perfect! It's coloring time, kids. Wow! We have so many colors. Let's color our picture. Black color. Red color. Light pink color. Yellow color. You can choose your favorite color for your Pikachu. Wow! Our Pikachu is ready. Now I'm going to add some detailings. Great job, kids! Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.